discussion will be based on few basic things that we have for these two classes, class 9 and 10. And this is a very common topic, that is that interchange of sentences. And today we'll talk regarding no sooner, as soon as. We'll talk about hardly, when, and we'll talk about scarcely, when. Further, these are all related to past tense as well as talk about present tense. So all these topics and as well as their past and present values. So this is today's topic, and here you go. A sentence is given: as soon as did he enter the class, then the children clapped. Now here you have to look at few specific things. First of all, it is given did. As soon as is followed by did. Then we have than. These two things are very essential here. Now you will be asked to do what? Rewrite using no sooner. So you have to convert this sentence without changing the meaning. So I have to use no sooner. So here I am starting with no sooner. No sooner. Instead of did, I will be writing had he. So it will be V3 entered the class. Then I will be using than. The children. Then the children clapped. So there is a little change that we have to mark. The change is that instead of that we are using had, and remaining part almost same. This entered, before it was entered, now it is entered. So what is the rule here? As soon as plus did plus V1, then the part of the sentence, then V2. And no sooner, what is the rule? No sooner plus had plus V3, then remaining part of the sentence we will have than, and again we will be using V2. So this is the basic rules that we have for as soon as or no sooner. But when I am going to use this part, hardly, how shall I write? Hardly is followed by had. Hardly had he V3 entered the class when the children clapped. So what we are using here, let us make a study of that. We are using hardly had. So here you are using V3, and here we are using, instead of than, we are using when. So if we use scarcely, then it will be like that. Scarcely had he entered the class before the children clapped. So what's the rule here? Instead of hardly we are using scarcely. Similarly we are using had, then we are using V3, then we are using instead of when we are using before. So what rule comes here? Have a look at it. The rule that follows here is hardly plus had. Same is the case with scarcely. Plus had. Then we'll have both the cases V3. Then we'll have part of the sentence. Then in this case hardly will use when and scarcely will use before. Then again we'll have V2. These are in case of past tenses. When you use present tense, the scenario will be little different. Now here is a sentence. As soon as does he enter the class, he is appreciated. So when I convert this one into no sooner, I'll be writing like that. No sooner, I'll keep does. There will be no change. He entered the class. Here you can use than, you can use comma. Then he is appreciated. So this is related to present tense. Now few things you should keep into consideration. That is the use of than. It is not then. So don't use then. It should be then. Keep this one in mind. THAN, than. This. Next. Number 1. As soon as did he notice the tiger, then he ran away. Here you have to use no sooner. Practice this one. Okay. Number 2, another one giving. No sooner had he visited the market than everyone appreciated him. What do you have to do here? Here you have to use hardly when. These two you practice seriously. So here we conclude today's topic. Have a look at this topic. I'll send the worksheet related to this one very soon. Go through those. Thank you.